Welcome to Coding by Heart. In this video we will learn different Docker related commands. All those commands are related to container like Docker container start, stop, restart, kill and remove. So we will check one by one. So let's start. Okay, so in last video we have seen how to check list of images, how to check running container, all this thing. So first of all we will check container is running or not. So we need to fire command like docker ps. So currently no container is running, so we want to run one container, and after that we will perform stop, restart and kill operation. So okay, we will start one by one. So first of all we need one container. So first of all we will check which images is there. Docker image ls, we have two images, one is Tomcat latest and another one is hello world. So we need to create one container, and after that we will play with that particular container. Okay, we will execute all command like start, stop, restart and kill. So start one by one. So first of all I need to create container. So which command I need to execute? I need to execute docker, then run with detach mode -d and that image name. Which image? Tomcat latest. Tomcat latest is already present in my local. So one container is created, if you see, and then we will check running container, how many container is there. So there is like docker ps. So one container is there, so we will try to execute another one run, then it will create another one container. After that we will try to create one container, again one container in detach mode. Okay, so now we have executed 3 times docker run command. How many times you have executed docker run command, that many times docker container will be create that particular image. Then we will check docker ps. So we have executed 3 times, so 3 container is created. So we will start one by one. So first of all 3 containers is running, right? So we will try to stop few containers, and then we will try to start that again container. Okay, so I will start with this container, then I will copy that container id, then first of all stop. If you want to stop that particular container, if you want to stop that particular container, then you need to execute command like a stop, like a docker container stop and that particular container. If you check running container, command is docker ps. Now 2 container is running, right? Previously is like 3 container. But if you check that particular command docker container stop, and we have stopped using that container id, but not a container id, you can stop using also name also. So we will try with name. Now 2 container is running, then we will try to stop with that particular name also. So docker container stop, and then I will provide this name. I will copy and I will paste. So now we want to check running container docker ps. Currently one container is running, right? If you focus one container. So for example, if you want to stop any particular container, then you can stop using names also, or you can stop using also container id also. Now one container is running, but if you want to check all containers, mean running container and existed container also, then we need to execute which query? Docker ps -a all container. If you see there is a 3 container, there are 4 container, existed state, 1 is up state and 2 is again existed state. I will clear, and then we will again check docker ps -a. There are 4 container is there. Okay, so we have perform operation using container id and names. Which operation we have performed? Stop. But now we want to rerun that application, or you want to start that particular container, stopped container. Okay, this is 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, so I need to execute one command like docker, then which operation I want to perform for, I want to perform for container. Then previously we have performed operation stop, but now we want to perform start operation. Docker container start, and after that you need to provide that container id. Which container id? This container id. So I need to perform this container id, but again I want to run different container also in within one query. I will execute this command. In that single command I want to start two container. One is this container and second was this container, but this container I will not provide container id, I will provide this name. I will copy this name, I will provide this name. You can provide this container name also, okay, but I want to take two scenario. That's why first container I have taken id and second container I have taken name. So whatever you want a name or id, you can use that one. This is two containers there, then I will press enter. Okay, there is two containers is running. Then I want to check running container. So command is like docker ps. Okay, if you check, this is running 10 seconds ago and this is also running. Okay, so now we want to start with that particular name, so you need to execute like that particular name. Now I want to start this one, then copy and then paste. Okay, now we will check running container. Then I need to execute docker -ps. Now docker ps, then you can check there is a 3 container. Okay, previously 2 container, now 3 container. So you are able to start that container with that name, so you can provide name also. There is a 46 second uptime and this container is running. So previously we have checked stop, now we have checked that start. Now we will play with like restart. Okay, now first of all we will clear that thing. Then I need to check running container docker ps. This 3 container is running, but I want to restart that container. So this is uptime of 5 minutes. Okay, so we will try to restart this one. Docker, then container, then which operation I want to perform? I want to perform restart operation. Restart for which container? I want to restart this container. Okay, then it will start, it will be stop, and after that it will be again start. So execute this command, docker container restart. Now previously uptime is 5 minutes, so status is uptime 5 minutes. Now we want to check uptime 8 seconds ago. Okay, means this container is restarted successfully. This container is started successfully. Created when 6 minutes ago, but restarted 8 seconds. Okay, so we have restart command. We have used restart command using container id, but I need to check with name. It will be restart using name or not. So I will check. So same command, docker container restart, but I want to provide that name. I need to provide that particular name. So I will provide this name, copy, paste, docker container restart, and this name. This is previously uptime is 2 minutes, so we will check it is changing or not, it restarting or not. Okay, now running container docker ps. If you check, uptime is 3 seconds and same name. So we have checked restart command also. Now last command is like kill. If you want to kill one particular container or multiple container, we will check. For example, you want to kill running container, docker ps. This is running that much. How many? 3 running container is there. I want to kill one container, docker container, then which operation? Kill operation. Docker command is very easy. it will start with Docker. Then which operation you want to perform, for image or for container? Yes, we want to perform now container. Then you can provide Docker container. Then which operation you want to perform? Yes, I want to perform stop, start, kill, that thing you want to write. And after that, for which one? Yes, I want to kill this one. I want to kill this one. Then yes, paste this one. Okay, this container is killed. Then we will check how many is running container. If you check, there are 2 running container, but this EE container is killed. Then we will check killed container is present or existed state or not. Okay, right now we will check this container present in existed state or not. Then which command? Docker ps -a. Then this container is present in existed state. Now if you want to again rerun or restart, or you want to start, you need to execute that particular command. But if you want to remove one particular command, okay, if you want to remove particular container and container is running, okay, how many running container is? Docker ps. Now you want to perform remove operation, you want to remove that particular container, but this container is running. Okay, so we will check how to remove. Docker container remove, and which one container you want to remove? I want to remove this one. Paste. You will be get this error response from daemon, you cannot remove running container. Okay, so first of all we need to stop that container, or you want to kill that container. After that you are able to remove that particular container. But for example, if you don't want to stop and kill that one, you want to forcefully remove that command. Okay, you want to forcefully remove that particular container, so you need to execute one command like docker container, then remove -f and that container id. Now we will check running container. Just only one container is running. Previously there is a 2 container, but we have removed that one forcefully. Then we will check in existed state is presented or not. It is not presented in existed mode if you compare this id ad11, because we have removed. If you removed any container, then it will be not present in existed state. Okay, so hope we have covered all this operation like a stop, restart, remove, kill, all these things. In next video we will check different commands. So please watch my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.